Hi, in this short video I will show you how to pair your user with your bicycle. And once you open the app for the first time, you get this login screen where you can use any of your preferred login options to go in the app. I'm using my Google account. Once you get in the app, you get this screen that notifies you that your bike has not been paired with your user account. To start pairing, you tap here on the Start Pairing label. It prompts you to enable the Wi-Fi on your mobile device. If you don't have it enabled, tap on it, enable the Wi-Fi. You have to allow location access in your phone settings, so you go to the permissions, location, allow, go back to the application. It will ask you to, it will ask for some other permissions. You can allow them. Go to the start pairing, and now it's searching for your bike. It will show you all the Greyp bikes that are active in your vicinity in around 10 to 15 meters. Once you have your bike display here, you just tap on it, tap on connect. This is a system prompt that we cannot avoid, so you have to tap on it also. And now we are connecting to your bike from the mobile phone. The pairing goes through, and in a couple of seconds you will get a screen notifying you that your bike has been paired with your user account. And this is it. So you are now paired with the bicycle, and when you tap continue, you see its location in the app and the metrics, the state of the bicycle, and you can continue to use it in remote. Thanks.